Well, good evening all. Another one's arrived. Now then, I ordered this from AliExpress, so I didn't get this one direct from the manufacturer. And the shipping was, I think the shipping was like $2, $2 Canadian dollars. But it's taken like 3 months to get here. So I think we're going to order directly from the manufacturer in future because, yes, you pay more, but you get it tracked. I know AliExpress do tracking as well, but usually all of the ones I've ordered direct from the manufacturer have got to me within a week. Anyway, so let's open this and see. This doesn't sound very secure, so let's get this open and see what's going on. Talkpod portable two-way radio. Yeah, very cheap feeling. Okay, well, let's see what we've got. Never judge a book by its cover. Okay, so we've got the little radio there. Let's see what we've got. We've got the charging adapter, which is USB-C. Oh, okay. So there's the charging adapter with a cable. That's the belt clip, a lanyard, whatever you call them. Antenna. What's in here? Oh, nothing. So let's have a look. What have we got here? That's the radio itself, and that's pretty much all there is in here. So the battery is already plugged in. So that's it's a nice little teeny little size. And the antenna. Let's get this out. Okay, this is a small one. This one is only, I think it's a dual band, but it's not digital. Just give me a second. This is the one I've just finished doing the reviews on, although there is a couple of things I still need to do on it. And you can see there's a bit of a size difference between the two. So it's like, yeah, about the same thickness. Anyway, this is the DM 9701. Anyway, it's not what we're reviewing today. Right, so this is a Talkpod. Now, I can't remember which one it is. Give me a second. It is a Talkpod. Let me get my glasses on here. Wow, I'm getting old. This is a Talkpod A36p. Frequency 144 to 148 and 430 to 440. Okay. So let's see if we can get the battery off to begin with. How do you... Oh, there we go. Two little clips on the top. So it's a Talkpod business radio, eh? Wattage no more than 5 watts. What you usually expect. It's 100. It's only 1800 milliamp battery. Talkpod. Anyway, so it's that looks a bit like it's been sitting around for a while. None of this. Anyway, let's plug this in. Okay. Let's plug the antenna on just in case I accidentally press transmit. I don't want to blow the finals on it. So let's get this. Okay. Oh, that was quick. Oh.
Menu.
Ooh, menu.
Menu.
Menu. Okay, what do we got?
Saturday. Wind variable 5 to 15 knots, becoming southeast 10 to 15 late Saturday.
That's got NOAA installed on already on that button.
Northwest 15.
What's the other button? Oh, that's FM.
On.
Huh. Okay. Menu. Talkpod A4. Okay, the menu seems a bit odd. Not. Okay. Well, that's the unboxing of it. Looks like this video might be a little bit interesting to program. I do have the software, as I got it from there was a person on the AliExpress page that requested it, and the supplier gave a CPS link, and I've downloaded it, just haven't tried it yet. Oh, looks like a Motorola type connector there, same as a Baofeng possibly. That's a transmit. No idea what I'm transmitting on. AB. Guessing that switches the. Oh yeah, it switches the monitoring channel. Okay. Well, that's a pretty short one. Is there any indication of the. Okay, turn it up and down. There's no indication of how loud the volume is. Okay, it's me transmitting on something. What's that? Must be some sort of emergency button, I'm guessing. Okay, well, oh sorry, it says there it's an A36 Plus. Oh, hold on. I've just realised there's no charging cradle that comes with this. Although, obviously there's a facility to have a charging cradle there, but since it is a chargeable via USB-C, you plug that, oh there it is, into the bottom of the battery. Huh, okay, well I'm going to plug this, oh no, I'm not going to do that yet, I don't have time to do all that. So, anyway, this is an unboxing of the Talkpod A36 Plus. Okay, and well, it's going to be interesting to do this one because the software, the menu system on it looks totally different to what I'm used to. Yeah, anyway, I will be reviewing this one eventually, but as you've probably checked from my last one, I still have a DM6100 to do first, which is very similar to the the Baofeng DM1701 in regards to programming. The CPS software looks pretty much the same, except I will describe a few glitches and stuff that I've come across while programming that radio. Anyway, this one will be up after that, so 7-3s everybody, take care, and I'll see you soon.